It's 2.5 hours before nightfall, and when we woke up this morning it was 19 degrees, and it's 47 degrees right now. It said it feels like 43, so yeah, it's chilly and there's hardly any wind. But even though in a little over a couple hours it'll be nighttime and the temperature drops pretty rapidly out here, and in the mornings it's been about 19, 20, probably a little less than that. But even though with those cold temperatures, and it's only a few hours before nightfall, our SunOven is doing a terrific job. And it's, last time I looked, it was about 330 degrees. Yeah, what is it now? I can't really see if I'm aiming properly, but that's about 330, 325. And our dinner is just about done. Yeah, even on the cold winter days here. Well, I know a lot of y'all might be a lot colder, but it sure is working good. It sure does taste good too. Over and out.